equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the Lenovo IdeaPad 3, a popular laptop that many users have encountered issues with. Unfortunately, in some cases, this device is deemed not repairable. Let's break down why that is and what your options are moving forward. First, let's discuss the tools you'll need if you're considering opening up your IdeaPad 3. You'll require a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. Make sure you have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid any mishaps. Once you have your tools ready, the first step is to remove the back panel. This involves unscrewing several screws located at the base of the laptop. Be cautious, as some screws may be hidden under rubber feet or stickers. Keep track of these screws, as they vary in size and length. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step. Rushing can lead to damage. Once the panel is off, you'll see the internal components, including the battery, motherboard, and cooling system. Now, let's talk about the battery. In many cases, the battery may swell or malfunction, which can lead to further complications. If you notice any signs of swelling, it's crucial to handle it with care. However, replacing the battery can sometimes be a temporary fix, as other underlying issues may persist. Next, we'll look at the motherboard. This is where things can get tricky. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 has a solid CPU and RAM, meaning they cannot be replaced or upgraded. If the motherboard is damaged, it often results in the entire unit being classified as not repairable. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can understand your options without any pressure. Cleaning the internal components is also essential. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating and performance issues. Use compressed air to gently blow out dust from the fans and vents. Avoid using a vacuum, as it can create static electricity. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your device, but if you find yourself in a situation where repairs are not feasible, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you won't have to worry about transport or making calls. If you've assessed your device and still find it unresponsive, it's time to consider your next steps. We recommend getting a quote before repair, as this will give you a clear idea of the costs involved. In many cases, investing in a new device may be more economical than attempting to repair a non-repairable unit. In summary, while the Lenovo IdeaPad the 3rd of May have its limitations, understanding these can help you make informed decisions about your technology. Whether you choose to repair or replace, remember that we are here to assist you with hassle-free services, ensuring you have the support you need throughout the process. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.